What do you do?
I love kittens because they're cute and sweet. And they can know different colours. And I like puppies for the same reason. And I hate brains. I hate both of them. I hate everyone. But not like man or Ellie or Flower. I hate the house. I love the pig. I love my little brother. I love my mommy. I love my daddy. I love my room. I love phone. Love colors. I love everything in the world. Or can I say it by myself? Bye-bye.